Now we're going to add a piping system, a condensate drain pipe from this FCU going to this nearest floor trap or this pipe shop to discharge the condensate drain pipe. So basically this unit is about 3,300 above finished floor level. So we can assume that our highest pipe will be around 3,150, and the ceiling is 3 meters, so we have to be very careful not to touch the ceiling once we have added the slope. So let's go to the pipe first. Here we don't have the PVC type material, so let's edit it. And let's set and duplicate into a PVC type material. Here in the edit topic, let's change it to polyvinyl chloride or PVC. Let's use the generic standard. Let's just use the fittings as it is. Now let's go to the system and height, and let's set the height to 3.2, or let's say even 3.1. From here it's 3.150, and the pipe is at 150. Let's change the pipe size to around 40 mm diameter. 3.150, click apply and click it. With hitting the beam, the column, let's not bind it first. Let's place it here. And once we are here in the pipe shop, we will have to go down to 100 mm from the finished floor level. Apply, click apply, and click apply 3 times. So now you can see that it drops down to the floor level. What I want to show you is how to apply the slope. Let's move this pipe first away from the column as it is clashing with the pipe column, with the column. You want to create a section from here so we can see the pipe up to here. Then we can see the section. Let's crop the view first. It's too deep, as you can see the other services which unnecessarily we don't need. So let's crop it until this line, so we can only see the FCU until this point. So let's go here. Now this is the pipe. Let's select it into a fine detail so we can see the thickness of the pipe. Now we want to have the slope at 1% going this way, sloping downwards to the pipe shaft. So here we have to remove first the connection between the riser and the elbow, because it's already fixed. It will not change unless you change the if you know and calculate the drop. You can also set it here by selecting here and pushing this downward to it cannot be done. So here by selecting here, and here you can set it. Let's say you want to have this as a controlled height of 3.05, just to get some gradient. So it means that we are not exceeding 3.050 for the center pipe of the center of this pipe. Let's set it to 3.075, and the other side is about 3.150. Actually, now we only have 0.4% as the slope. We can also, we know that this is 3.3, so we still can adjust this. So 3.3. Let's see what will be the slope. Now once you select here, it's almost 0.6723. That should be sufficient enough. I think 0.5 will also be sufficient. Let's not have 1%. It's going to be too deep. So let's from 3.2 to 3.107. So that is how to apply a slope without using the slope command or slope, because here you cannot select any other than the 1%, 2%, and 4% slope. You cannot key in 0.5, or you cannot change the selection. Only these three categories, which is 1%, 2%, and 4%. Here we set it as 0.5% slope for this part. So now let's connect this again to the riser. Select here and let's activate. Now it has been connected with a slope of 0.5%. So that is how to add the preferred slope using a setting which is different from preloaded settings from Revit.